Hi, I'm Paul Ramseur. I'm the Executive Director of Elpis Enterprises. Tonight is our annual event, Shirts, Birds, and Brew, here at the Uptown VFW. Come on in, let's check it out.
So why do you keep supporting Elpis?
It's a great organization. Paul Ramseur has just done a phenomenal job, and great organization that we're going to continue to support.
Since 2002, really. We're actually in the mid-90s. We were incubated back in the mid-90s by the Minneapolis JC's Charitable Foundation. Spun off and set up as a separate nonprofit in 2002, and since then, we have really focused on building social enterprises and creating small business opportunities that can help young people look at some possibilities and get a fresh start when it comes to employment. He's done an amazing job at rallying support for the 4th grade program. More than 60 programs last year, but in total more than 180 workshops we did in 2023 for close to 8,000 kids.
What has drawn you into support Elpis for the first time?
Well, I just recently learned about Elpis Enterprises, but I am thrilled to know how many unique programs they're offering young adults. And I work with a group of children in a garden, and we are going to invite them to come to the children's garden and to make both bird feeders and to hopefully also do some screen printing.
Thank you again. Thank you very much.